To register a Lightstanza trial, start by going to lightstanza.com. Click Free Trial. Then enter your information on the following page. Then click Next. And here you'll review and accept the terms of service. If you don't accept the terms, click Back. Otherwise, click Accept. From here, you'll set some preferences. You can choose electric, daylight, or both. Enter some information. The rest of the fields are optional. Then click OK. A confirmation will be sent to the email address you've provided. After verifying your email address, your trial will be active for 30 days. After the 30-day trial period, your account will continue as a free view-only account. To continue with modeling and calculation capabilities, navigate to the billing page, going to your user icon, Team, Admin, then under the Subscription tab, go to Manage Subscription. Then Update Subscription. Decide between yearly pricing or monthly pricing if preferred. And select the plan that best suits your needs. The Lightstanza Advanced plan is usually the most popular option. Adjust the number of seats if needed. Continue. Then on the confirmation page, add a promotional code if you have one for a discount. Then click Confirm. On the following page, you'll add a payment method, and then continue to complete the purchase for the subscription. Thank you.